Do you need clients for your client business? I'm going to give you one really simple tip, and I have to warn you, it might feel a little too simple. It might feel too simplistic, but if you do this one thing, you are going to consistently be generating far more clients than your competitors in your niche, because most client businesses really just don't do this thing, and that is every single day set a timer. And it can be maybe 30 minutes, maybe it can be 25 minutes if you're into the Pomodoro thing. It could be 50 minutes. It could be whatever length of time, but set a timer. And during that period of time, all that you can do is you can work on bringing new clients in the door. Now, that may be specifically reaching out and starting a conversation with a prospective client. It may be developing your client funnel or leadership media or writing ads that bring clients in the door or whatever it may be, having some other kind of conversation. What is the best fit for you is the best fit for you. But the idea is to take this very specific time every single day and work on bringing new money in the door, new clients in the door. And it doesn't matter if you have like a copywriting business or marketing agency or some other kind of client business, anywhere, any client business that runs the gamut. If you're willing to spend a limited amount of time consistently every single day to bring clients in the door, you're going to find that you have all the clients that you can handle. I don't know. What do you think? To me, it's like when I have practiced this, it's easy, it's consistent to just bring in a ton of clients. And the more that I do this and the more consistently, like anything that you do consistently, it takes consistency to get results. Now, if you're not quite sure what to do in terms of starting a conversation and bringing clients in, check out the link in the description to the Launch Your Client Business mini course that I put out recently. While you can still get into that, you should sign up for it. It walks you through how to actually approach clients and what you need to do to actually, be starting client relationships with this. And certainly if you're launching your client business, but if you just need more clients, whether you have launched your client business or not, this will take you much further, much faster if you follow the recommendations in that free training. So check out the link in the description with this video, and you can sign up for that. I don't know. What do you think? It's a simple tip. It might seem too obvious, but how much value did you find this? Or if you've used this before, how much value have you gotten out of it? Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments below how valuable you found this and why, what your big inspiration is from it. Also click that like button before you go so you get more content like this delivered to you. And so the magical algorithms of the internet know who to share it with. People like you who will find it valuable. You can certainly share it with folks directly, and subscribe before you go. You can subscribe here. You can also go to breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com. And forget it, go to the Launch Your Client Business mini course and just sign up there. You'll also get my daily Breakthrough Marketing Secrets with these videos as well as exclusive content for email subscribers. Again, that's all in the links below. My name is Roy Furr. This has been a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. I always aim for that 10 out of 10 value. I hope that I have delivered it here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. See you soon. Bye.